in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running the fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. Sit it down, you gotta choose. I'm taking my spot, I'm doing food.
Welcome to my lair. Dude, look how big it is. It even has a sunroof for some odd reason. Why would you need a sunroof? Slippery, I don't want to fall.
Do you ever get one of these?
Because you can't find a VIN number on it, so you like do some illegal stuff basically.
What?
We can't find the VIN number on it.
We're the Millers. You want to do it?
Part 3?
Pablo Chacon.
We'll do it. We'll take you across the border.
Find the VIN number for it. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. Never mind. We found it. It's over here. It took forever though. Yeah, we did. I remember.
What's that?
What?
I went to Playa del Carmen, next to Cancun.
How was it?
Pretty fun. Favorite thing? Probably eat. The food is really good and cheap compared to over here.
What'd you eat?
Tacos, some nice drinks. Not alcohol drinks, but like agua frescas and stuff like that.
You didn't get a drink?
No.
Why not?
Cause I didn't want to drink. And then we also went to Shellha.
What's that?
It's like it's basically like Disney. There's like certain parks, but everything's like water. Or like exploring caves and shit.
Oh, you went to the caves?
No, we didn't do that. We went to Shellha, which is like the, I guess, open. We went swimming like in a, I don't know how to explain it. You have to Google it. A shuttle that picks you up from your place, and then unlimited food and drinks and alcohol. It's like $210 in total.
Per person?
No, in total.
Oh, wow.
That's nice.
It's actually not bad.
But it sucks though, cause like if you don't have a car to come pick you up or something like that, cause the shuttle picks you up back at 6 and it drops you up there at 8 a.m. So we're out there like for 12 hours. First world problems.
Did you get burnt?
Yeah, well, just my shoulders.
Yeah.
My girlfriend got her arms. Layers.
Will you go back?
Yeah, I want to go back in December.
Oh, nice.
She was so surprised when I said I want to go back to Mexico. Yeah, it's my first time going out the country of America.
Hello. Y'all gonna think I'm doing nothing, huh?
What you got going on today?
We've got a couple estimates. One in Rockwall, one in downtown Dallas, and then one in Prosper. You guys are gonna go see Randy install today too in Salina.
I was trying to figure out, I'm trying to get this shade and what's on the back doors as close as possible, and I think that's it. That's the shit. 15 on the roof. It's gonna look good. This thing would be cool to take on a trip right here though, for sure.
I don't know what he said.
Who's that?
The fire marshal. I think we're getting inspected randomly. Little did they know we play with fire. With a torch, us gonna go.
Right here.
You gotta get that in slow motion.
Yeah, either way, you can either do that. So this is back here. It'd be cheaper to do that. The only other thing I've seen, like that.
I end up on one of those films.
We the best.
We the best in Tritek.
DJ Chewy.
Chewy. Is this your car? Would you drive a car like this?
Would I drive this car? Yeah, I'll drive this car.
Yeah?
I've driven one before, all the way from Richardson here.
Yeah.
It was nice.
So you like Chargers?
Yeah.
Nice.
If I had to pick a Charger over a Challenger, I'll pick a Charger.
Yep.
Ah, crap. I can't pick up the phone. I'm in the middle of an army right now. I'm fighting Thanos himself.
A donkey, say come with me. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I got curious to ask me. Oh, yeah, no lo hice. Hacerle que le conté a. I'll be back.
Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Locked up and won't let in the club, water bottle full of.
If you want to, and be able to grab it. All right.
My drawings are spraying the wall. Why you put me on TV? Who sees them? Their real impact this is going to make. I just want to reach out and say, keep spreading the positivity, man. The world need more and more of that each day. Your work speaks for itself, and that's how it should be. You always say never surrender, love it. Now back to work. I just got a novel right there of positivity.
What do you think?
I think it's good. I think this is why I do it. A lot of people hate it, but a lot of people love it. No matter what you do, 50% of people probably won't like you if you're doing something. So this is for the 50% that do like it. Where is everybody at? Feels like there's nobody here today.
Chewy just went to lunch. George is on his pre-honeymoon.
Pre-honeymoon?
I'm assuming.
How you know?
I'm assuming.
Who said that?
I'm just making an
What
assumption.
does that mean?
It's like when you keep a secret from your friends and your coworkers, and then we find out on the internet,
Oh, what was on the internet?
I can't say
Well,
that much
if
more.
it was on the internet, how was it a secret? Because I didn't
That's
see
true.
it. What was it?
All I'm saying is someone posted a ring, and that was it.
Oh, they did? Who?
Both of them.
Oh, I didn't even see this.
And they didn't say anything.
My
It's
wife
a pretty
actually
ring.
mentioned that, but I couldn't find the post.
Just a pretty ring. Didn't say anything to anyone.
Did it get deleted?
No, it was a story. So
Oh, that's why it's probably gone by the time I was told about it. I was like, I didn't see that.
I thought you would have known.
I don't normally look at stories.
I was trying to get the dirt from you. Maybe he told you that he was
That's
gonna
not
give me.
dirt. That's a big congratulations.
That is congratulations.
That's a big deal.
It's a big secret he kept from us.
That is a big secret.
Apparently.
But it's a good secret.
It is.
Good, yeah.
What you eat today? Nothing. You're starving. Oh, poor guy.
I'm about to go get some kava.
All right, so it's time for the walkthrough. We've got a pristine Porsche here. We did XPEL paint protection film on the full front bumper on this one. Gonna get it protected. No rock chips, no scratches. Car is beautiful. We've got a city vehicle right here for 2 front doors. I've actually got a Mazda CX-5 from a customer of ours that I know. We're doing a full XR Plus window tint on that with the windshield and everything. It hasn't came in yet. And then we have a dealership vehicle for 2 front doors waiting to come in. This Tesla Model Y, every week you're going to see multiple Teslas here, really every day. We are doing a full front. It's actually complete, the XPEL paint protection film package. It is going to be taped up and touched up, so we do quality on that one. It has a full XR Plus window tint as well. That's the multi-layer nano ceramic film that blocks the most heat, best one on the market. And we also do the best install out of anybody else in DFW. And let's see what else we got. Let's go in the shop. So we're in the shop. I've got another Mazda right here from our dealership. Awesome people at Town North Mazda, getting 2 front windows. This beautiful black Lexus is all the way from Fort Worth, Texas. They've been here multiple times. This is also getting a multi-layer XR Plus ceramic film, so it's getting the best on every window, including the sunroof. So this car is going to be really insulated and cool in the heat you feel right now. As you can see, I got my water out because I'm trying to stay hydrated when the sun comes out. Whew, it's scorching. Back here, we've got this massive van. These things cost a lot of money. They do a lot of miles. So we were doing a full front paint protection film package on it. Of course, it's XPEL, it's the only thing we use. And we did XR Plus ceramic tint on the front doors. This is a trimmer. This is an awesome truck. We took the big stickers off the back so we could lay the PPF over it flat. This is a full stealth actually. So this truck is this awesome kind of white gray, you know, chalk color. When you put the XPEL stealth on it, it's going to look like no other trimmer on the road. Satin, looks great. Full protection, self-healing, no rock chips. This guy's going to be super happy. We also did window tint on the front doors and the windshield ceramic, and we're going to go over it with a ceramic coating to give it another layer of protection, hydrophobic, and it's just going to look really good. So that's what we got in the shop.
I hope they don't want to eat me.
That's good. Do you have his email address?
Someone should.
Randy can't.
We never got it on the paperwork.
Oh, you texted me his information. That's all you sent.
Kent. Let me see, Kent.
That forgot how to do his job. Forgot all the important.
That's what he does. I don't do it. He didn't get
Set
it.
it up.
Did you go bid it too?
I just went along and hang out CG.
He's making up stuff. He's
What'd
supposed
you
to
do?
know everything.
Did you have the pen?
Yeah.
That's your fault then.
My point. I was just
If you had the
going-
pen, that's your
I
fault.
was going along for celebrity and clout chasing. What? What?
You know why we put all those lines on that paperwork, Tyler?
To fill them out.
Because we need all that information.
Hey, that's what Jason said. You see all them lines on the paperwork? Hey everybody, so this is a really special episode. This is the 52nd week straight. We've been doing a day in the life for you guys. The people here, our employees, they have really enjoyed it. You fans have really showed us a lot of love and we appreciate you. In the next year, we plan to do a lot of growing. We plan to get a larger location and we want to start doing collaborations with local people in our area. We want you guys to tell us what you want us to do. If you want to be in the video, get with me, send me a message. I want to get you guys in here as well. We're going to grow together. The team's really enjoyed this. All of you have enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching this. We've been doing it for 52 weeks straight, through the cold, through the hot. We've done it while we were sick, done it while my back was out. We didn't make any excuses, and we're here to stay. We want to keep it going. We want you guys to be a part of it. If anybody tells you not to do something and you feel it in your heart, in your gut, do it. Do it anyway. You guys have shown us a lot of love. We appreciate it, and it's just the right thing to do. We're going to keep doing this. For the next year, we're also going to be growing this company. We're going to get a larger facility. Nobody has known that, but it's been in the works. So you're going to get the first sneak peek now that we will be growing, and it's going to be amazing. It's going to be a beautiful place. We definitely want you guys to come visit, probably in the new year. But thanks everyone for watching. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you for episode 53.